and today we're going to be going over lesson 11 for Wylock Math, and the first question that we'll be looking at is number 4 for patterns. And so for number 4, we see that first we're going to start off with 30, then we go down to 25, then to 20, and then we have our 2 blanks, and then to 5, and then finally 0. So if you start at 30 and we're going down and not up, then that means we will be subtracting, not adding. So if we're subtracting on the number line, if we have a number line, and we start at 30, how far do we have to go down to 25, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. So if we start at 30 and we move down to 25, then how far do we jump? So first we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we move down 5 times to get from 30 to 25, so it would be minus 5. Then to find how much we jump from 25 to 20, we're going to do the same thing. And since we're moving from 25 to 20 and we're moving down, the operation will be subtraction again. So from 25 to 20, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So for this, we'll be also moving backwards 5 times. Now from 20 to the next number, we'll be also subtracting 5 since it is a pattern. So subtracting 5, then if you subtract 5 from 20, 20 minus 5, what do you get? You get 15. So for this, the first blank, it will be 15. Now from 15, you're going to take away 5 again. And when you take away 5, what do you get? You get 10. So the second blank will be 10. So the answer for number 4 will be 15 and 10. Moving on to addition and subtraction. For addition and subtraction, we have 57 minus 23. And for this, first we'll be looking at the 1 side, for the ones place. And for the ones, we'll have 7 minus 3, which is 4. So on the 1 section, we're going to have 4. And then we'll be moving on to the tens. And for the tens, we have 5 minus 2, which is 3. And so for the tens place, we'll have 3. So the answer for number 9 will be 34. Moving on to matching. So for matching, we're going to be doing the cloud that is highlighted, so this cloud. And so for this cloud, we have 3 plus 6, 10 minus 2, 4 plus 3, and 13 minus 16. So first, we're going to start off with 3 plus 6. So for 3 plus 6, we have 3 plus 6, which equals 9. And 9 does not equal 8. So therefore, 3 plus 6 does not count or does not work. It's not the answer. Next one, we have 13 minus 6, which is 7. And 7 does not equal 8 either. So 13 minus 6 is incorrect as well. Now we have 4 plus 3, which is 7. And just like before, 7 does not equal 8. So 4 plus 3 is also incorrect. Now the last question that we have is 10 minus 2. And 10 minus 2 is 8. And 8 equals 8. So therefore the answer for this question will be 10 minus 2. Moving on to word problems. There are 8 people behind the stage ready to perform. If the curtain goes up, how many fingers will be showing? So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people, and each have 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And so there are 16 hands, and for each hand, there will be 5 fingers. So 5, 5, 5, 5. If each hand has 5 fingers, then how many fingers does one person have in total? So 5 plus 5 is 10. So each person will have 10 fingers each. Then we'll be adding how many fingers 2 people have in total. So if each person has 10 fingers, then 2 people will have 20 fingers. Now that we have 20, 20, 20, 20, we're going to add everything. Now what is 20 plus 20? Is 40. So 20 plus 20 is 40. 20 plus 20 is 40. And 40 plus 40 is 80. So if the curtain goes up, there will be 80 total fingers showing. If the curtain goes up, there will be 80 total fingers showing.